They look at them jumping.
Sydney couple Bev and John Cable can now share a laugh about the bucket list trip that didn't go as planned.
Groundhog Day.
When a crew member became ill, everyone on the ship was confined to cabins and tested for coronavirus.
I've always had a little bit of a weak chest, so I was slightly concerned, but I didn't have any symptoms.
With the ship stranded off Uruguay, the grandparents were stunned to learn they tested positive to the virus.
If we were positive, then it didn't show in any other way than a piece of paper.
Despite both being in their 70s, a high-risk age group for COVID-19, they remained perfectly well, never getting any symptoms at all. Researchers from Bond University now believe about 15% of people who contract COVID-19 will be asymptomatic, like the Cables.
So for every 6 people who develop the infection, that is the COVID-19, about one of those 6, or 1 in 7, will not have any symptoms for the whole of the illness.
They examined 9 overseas studies, totalling around 20,000 asymptomatic coronavirus cases. Fortunately, patients without symptoms were 1/3 less likely to spread the disease.
You're not doing the things like coughing or sneezing because you don't have symptoms.
While the research confirms that only a small number of people are wandering around the community not knowing they have COVID-19, experts warn people can't become complacent.
You go to a restaurant, you go to the gym, you go to a protest, you don't know if the person next to you is infected or not, and they may not know either.
While their trip was one to remember, the Cables haven't been put off. They've already booked another cruise once border restrictions are lifted. Sophie Scott, ABC News.